hell did we get this hat?
Chris, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Something's not right.
Fucking Christ!
I could have sworn that...
I'm gonna ask again, at the risk of sounding like a broken record. Chris, what the hell do you think you're doing?
I could have sworn that I keep hearing strange noises.
It's a refrigerator. Fridges make strange noises. It's a thing.
You mean like the sound of gunshots and galloping?
Maybe it's the ice machine.
No, that's not right.
No, ice machines make noise. It's also a real thing.
Why do you think there's never any milk in the fridge?
3 of us live here. And Megan, does she even eat?
Can any of us afford one of these?
I'm pretty sure that's just ice.
There's a bird's nest in the fridge, Sam.
Eggs belong in the fridge. They spoil.
Why can't you just admit that there's something bigger than either of us going on here?
It's a fucking refrigerator. Look at it. It's okay, Chris. I totally wish it was a portal to Narnia, too.
I'm being stupid, aren't I?
Yes, you are. Come on. Have you seen Ryan?
Who cares about Ryan?
Yeah.